Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about linear equations. Before that, I would like to introduce about our group. We are from Project 6. Our group name is Carnelian. The group member is me, Nur Farisha, Alisha Nurudaini, and the group's leader is Hana Humaira. For the next slide, we're going to give you guys an example about standard form, slope-intercept, and the point slope for the equations of a straight line. You guys can pause the video to read about the explanation. So, what are the importance of linear equation in daily life? In management, business managers use linear equation in order to find cost, profit, revenue, loss, and their break-even points in their business. The break-even point in a linear equations is where the equations intersect. Cost is the amount you pay for an item. Profit is the amount of money you made after the break-even point. Next, for finance, linear algebra is used to study financial trading strategies and expectations. Financial conditions are examined via metric equation using rank, column space, and null space arguments. Furthermore, for computer knowledge, linear algebra provides concepts that are crucial to many areas of computer science, including graphics, image processing, and cryptography. The mathematical structure of computer graphics takes advantage of many operations and theorems in linear algebra to assist 2D or 3D models in animations and in rendering. Next, the healthcare field, including doctors and nurses, often use linear equations to calculate medical doses. Linear equations are also used to determine how different medications may interact with each other and how to determine correct dosage amount to prevent overdose with patients using multiple medications.
After that, in science, linear equations are an important tool in science and many everyday applications. They allow scientists to describe relationships between two variables in the physical world, make predictions, calculate rates, and make any conversions. Graphing linear equations helps make trends visible. In science, algebraic balance is required in chemical formulas, growth ratios, and genetic matrices. Subsequently, in engineering, mechanical engineers use linear algebra to design and analyze suspension systems. And electrical circuits, algebra is used on a daily basis, and many engineers will have to deal with differential equations, statistics, and calculus occasionally. Physics equations are applied to all angles of an engineering problem to make sure the structure being created is going to function the way it must. Linear equations are used to calculate measurements for both solids and liquids. An electrical engineer, for example, uses linear equation to solve problems involving voltage, current, and resistance. Additionally, for constructions, the construction field frequently uses linear equations when measuring and cutting all types of materials for job sites. For example, a carpenter uses a linear equation to estimate the cost of wood and nails for a remodeling project. Architects have to solve complex linear systems. Many times when ordering supplies, architects must use a system linear equations because of the amount. They can use them to see the amount of supplies they can get within a budget.
Last but not least, we're going to give you guys a quiz time. So, for the first question is, how many linear equations and what are they? Second, what is the function of linear equations in health? Third, what are engineers need to deal when it comes to algebra? And the last question is, does carpenter use linear equation in daily life? And how does it work?
Finally, thank you for spending time with us. We really appreciate your time share. That's all from us. Thank you.